Good morning and welcome to another video. I'm saying good morning because it's exactly 5 to 9 a.m. and we just have this customer arriving with the latest Volkswagen Caddy. It's a Caddy with a tailgate, so obviously it's one single door that opens up. And what's interesting about this car is that the car has a radio, hasn't got a navigation system. So coming in, and as you can see, this is a standard kind of radio system, not a navigation. And there's quite a few of these cars we know available that don't have navigation, but they still can have a reversing camera. So what we're doing is we're going to install the original Volkswagen reversing camera to the car that will come up on this screen, will be fully integrated. So let's get to it and we'll show you the when it's ready. Right, so we've got the car out from the workshop and the newly installed camera is fully working. So let me show you the installation, which is here. This is the lip kind of mount, I'm calling it, camera that is installed in the in this location here in the tailgate. And let's see how it performs. Right, we've got the car up and running, so let's select the reverse gear and see how the camera looks. So as you can see, it comes up straight away with the reverse gear. The factory installed sensors coming up on the left here as it should, and this is the camera high with moving guidelines. If I move the steering wheel, you can see the lines adjust to left or right depending on the direction. And yeah, all done to the factory specification. So if you would like this done to your Caddy or any other Volkswagen or Audi car, Seat or Skoda or Porsche, which we all support, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for joining us and see you in the next video. Bye bye.